Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another vlog. In this video, I am telling you about insurance. Get affordable motorcycle insurance with GCCO. This website is very biggest in this world. If you own a motorcycle, a free online motorcycle insurance quote from GCCO could save you money on a few policy. Whether you have a sport bike, Crusher, moped, trolling bike, or standard ride, we can help with affordable insurance rates and get coverage. We also offer ATV and scooter insurance. Start a quote now or continue reading to learn more about bike insurance coverage, discounts, and more. Already have car insurance with GCO. Using your current auto policy info gets you a cycle quite even faster. Just start your quite now and log in. You may also qualify for a multi-policy discount if you have an active auto or RV policy with us. Why choose GCO for motorcycle insurance? Competitive coverage so you was not have to skimp to get a great price. Assurance coverage for the extras you have added to make your ride your own. A knowledgeable team of licensed motorcycle agents who are as athletic about bike as you. What does motorcycle insurance cover? Motorcycle insurance coverage benefits you, your bike, and your others on the road. Learn more about the main coverage that can make up a GECO motorcycle insurance policy. Bodily injury liability coverage. We also offer the following motorcycle specialist coverage. Accessories coverage when you carry comprehensive or collisions coverage you could also get a protection for your accessories such as non-stock sidecar trike compression kit sets and slash bag electronic equipment and more. Helmet coverage. Collision coverage also provides protection for your helmet. We know a good helmet can be expensive, specifically if it has electronic compounds. Emergency roadside service. Stands. Standard, we have all been there. When you ride with GECO motorcycle insurance, you can get affordable extra coverage for emergency roadside service. Flat tire. Run out of gas. We are here to help complete with specialized flatbed trucks for towing. What type of vehicles are covered? GECO's motorcycle coverage extended to a variety of vehicle. Motorcycle insurance can apply to Crusher, a type of a motorcycle that usually features a V-Teams and full view engine sports bike, fast high performance motorcycle, also known as street bikes, turning bikes, motorcycle made for comfortable long distance riding. Custom motorcycles custom built by you, a shop or a manufacturer's mopeds, lightweight bikes powered by a smaller engine. You could save with our motorcycle insurance discount. Not only does Gisco offer discount and low insurance prices, we are constantly rate A double plus superior for a financial strength by AM Best Company, a leading independent analyst of the insurance industry. By insurance your bike with GEICO, you may be eligible for motorcycle insurance discount that could save you even more money. We have discount for the experienced rider safely and even a discount just for switching your motorcycle insurance to GEICO. Check out our motorcycle insurance discount page for more information. Manage your motorcycle insurance policy with areas. GEICO motorcycle is here even in the off season. It's never fun to think about the probability of fire, flooding, vandalism, and theft. However, when you keep your bike insured, you keep your discounts and have your cycle and coverage waiting for that next nice day. With GEICO, you have several ways you to handle your bill. You can choose to pay all at once, monthly, in 4, 6, or 9 installments. It's your policy. Choose what works best for you. The GEICO mobile app make our motorcycle policy even riser downloading the app too. Get digital ID card, find the lowest real-time gas price neighborly, pay a bill, change coverage, chat with an insurance agent, and more. Customer review. I am so grateful for uncompletable process. Need to talk to a motorcycle insurance agent. Motorcycle insurance get the answer you are looking for. What motorcycle insurance coverage are included? Motorcycle policy have basic coverage including and additional ones for extra protection. Our policy can provide coverage for bodily injury, collision, personal injury, protection, property damage, uninsured, underinsured, motorists, and the comprehensive. How can I save money on motorcycle insurance? A few ways to get discount for your motorcycle insurance could including a multi-policy discount, completing a motorcycle safety foundation course, and installing an anti-theft device on your bike. Learn about more about vehicle insurance, property insurance, business insurance, legal and security.